Alright, I'm going to show you how to use the can opener on either a pocket knife or a credit card knife. Okay, first the pocket knife. Alright, so what you have to do is put that here on the rim of the can and then push down and hope that doesn't happen. And you pull it out and do the next. And you just keep going around like that. Alright, now for the credit card knife, you do the same thing. This is just a little bit, it takes a little bit longer because it's a little bit smaller and it's a little bit harder to use. But this one in particular is a lot sharper, so it goes in pretty well. So keep going around the can. Hate it when that happens. Try not to get it stuck like I just did. You don't need to go all the way in, just need to get it down. When you get it all the way in, it'll get stuck like that. Okay. Alright, once you've gone all the way around, you can use the top of the knife or credit card knife. Pick up the lid. Be really careful because the lid will be really jagged. So try not to cut yourself. So that is how you open a can with either a pocket knife, can opener, or a credit card knife can opener. This pocket knife is a Trojan multi-tool, so it's like a Leatherman. It has pliers and a torch. It's not exactly the best quality. All the knives and tools are really hard to get out. Like, it's pretty much impossible to pull them out with just your finger. I use a little watch screwdriver to get them out. So you should probably spend the extra money and get an actual Leatherman.